Mama will be a show how far. Mama will be a check also. As I say, and I miss a Kamiaka near Bama, Mrs. Papa Bia, Fedia, Mrs. Mavis Asante, the supreme lady. I, the one and only. Cash. I drew up a baby and I could see up a baby and just say, no wolf, not so physical, dear. Oh, what kind of some and social media and by Yabutre, and I mean, I can waha, I won't Fedria. Miss Obi to me, Caddy and Uncle Points, and Obi to me, can't say. Here, now I'm so on my wouldn't be an hour, never was 3 years, mammy. Yabutre and she be Bibawati, a biba, ya not the what and crew, and also so anything. Ain't think a mini yasa, ain't think I mean masters, ah. Na den na yesa mirafo ena misaka no ha sei ene mi ankasa me papa ma de nyina DY donko e wa ha cash nko mama akwabe na na yenko pamcho mama akwabo papa acho boko die ya mi nsira wate ni das my supreme
yes darling
supreme just brady won fo
so
me mo akwaba
yeah me die
ye nyina ye ni se cheze awusama PS Esther.
Yeah.
What's I call mentor?
Yeah.
I've within seconds now. Sister Mavis, and I be one of the best gospel musicians ever Ghana has seen.
I don't.
Yeah, for us say.
Okay. Me that's any kind me try to for ni ashe forma or majimra or more shay me ready shamu nyina. Me di ankasa Mavis Obey.
Okay.
Yeah, it's me be worry na. Media Asante never saw so and see me book mu baby de Mavis Asante.
Okay.
Yeah, but show business me use Mavis Asante.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Wow, but what for him fa? Me saying.
Me friend in su.
Okay.
Yeah, e wo Mampon Road.
Okay.
Ufi wi amoase na okokofia ase na okomi kroma nyine su.
Aso.
Yeah, me Asante ni 100% me boy aduana.
Okay.
Me aduane ni.
Okay.
Yeah, ye wo ye miensa.
Okay.
But last year na yeketwa ni free mu.
Oh, good say.
Nse yakatu na ye emami nu bema bako. Nti bema ni free mu nti aka embami nu.
Where dey mamu eguso mamu yakọ but as Ghana for ya ante ho hwe.
Oh. Enye bibia na obi just all those who were just so close to me.
Oh my God.
And I would say
So
yeah.
Sorry.
Yeah.
Everybody and I call mentor everybody so your brain nti.
Okay.
Because here dey na dodo na ye say PS Esther.
Oh, make us say sister there. She's more like a sister, but yenye related through blood. But yanantia che over 20 years, and I enemy who guess way back Kumasi and sana yenya cyber and crime. See yanantia che, yeah, and see. Time or yes say or no be mentia no that time near one church. Okay. It's nice or say you can video
one church with a pie life
Great Lights Worship Center.
So okay.
Yeah. And see my HR video ni bi. And see because say ho na enko for e share that who e share say so mo me face no. And see 2008 December ni na make us so me mentor. Okay. Yeah, and I me call mentor 4. Okay. Nyame ado me call me region Ashanti region. Okay. And see medical mentor 3 audition e work for area. But a normal family that was a real time. Okay. And normal family mentor 4 by and I'm sure mentor 4 about there with this time they me call me am region. Okay. And I me call Kumasi Nyame ado me qualify. Okay. And see February 2009 and yeah evicted me from the house. Okay. And that same year now 2009 and October and I'm releasing my first album. Okay. Yeah. First album and only worship no erade mami nkwa mami acapella kakra bi because I know one of the best worship song make say me consortium ni amani mu eno na eyi me charge me mami nyankwa mami nye na masumo ye sing it erade mayenyankwa mayenye ye na yasumo ye iyo amani kotane ni na reference mayenyankwa na mayenye ye na yasumo ye erade iyo amani Eradi pepa yeniwe munisonyina ya mayenyankwa na mayenye na yansumu ye Eradi ohawo mini ye Eradi ye frimo oh amani mini ye Jesus ye frimo Eradi ma won saso na ye Eradi frimo wa minemo mayenyankwa mayenye na yansumu ye
no correct
yeah
e de nem e hyewu nkran e ma woto sa because enwum ni modu wo se Awurade Nyankopon wo ma yenyankwa ansa na Awurade ama ya yeye papa me pa cho wadaro me ho no brem kakra ma ye esan se yen dodo na no ye peyedie Awurade ma ye ma misika Awurade ma me ntoka de che Awurade ma me ntofie ma me nya we ma ni but wo se enwum ni de o se Awurade ma ne nkwane ahotene ansa na botumi ayeye papa brem ansa na ya to
aduane nyede sikadie nyede wa amra woni kwatintin eje wiase aye ba ye de bepesi ebe yenyina de obi hia de obi hia pai enkwatintin ene enkwa ahoden wu if you don't have it what is the essence of being rich na wanye sika nyina na de hwe yade de paduane kura ho nto no udidi anya wode udidi asafe hu abrabo na oraho izaza obetimi ehu bi asabi woni bi na so no wanya enkwatintin wa hoden nti David Mpae ba kwa wo boy no Radeba ne trance na wonya ahode nti anwumbo is a prophetic song and it's a good song ya ye time pa ye yenwum ye pembe eje yanzu usua se ne awoda anase a ko bedo mu madabi awada anase
papa nyame nhyira
amen
says ebrebe na worry ye pese hu ba bi so awuko suku eno de hia
okay
ko se da wo ye raba no so chere school kura wo koye se ne be ya se bia me second born no ai me de na ko hono ai e fa na ko school
okay me go school New Oxford International
okay
e wo Kumasi
okay
and I me course in post preparatory abrabo na hya se na ye dent me ko international school santi e chire na ne ma ye bibio no and I me wie o amankwatia but Enokra was one of the best Mekase government schools ever Kumasi. On a Reggie Stone Krakow school. Reggie
Stone, the Honoco school. As soon as I said that I'm a phone quan. Oh, that as a mamma, and yet that I'm a school. I also said that about.
Yeah, me that a bean bacho. Yeah, Taba Pare.
Aberbe and worry.
Okay, it's me worry 2011.
2011. Yeah. Who's share Prophet Asante away from?
Michelle was circle. That time, let me go school. What's that? That time, let me go school. Trans-African College. I'm a journalism. Wow. And see, yeah, the school fees by that time. Now, Momo is added. I don't know. So now Momo Kraba.
Okay. I don't think so now.
Yeah, and see no. Yeah, the fees. That time, not Ford Pana. Contemporary me yejuma Kumasi ne Accra kwan so panti e ho na yedi me fees fight me cause me koje me fees na emso no so beji ade e wo ho no enti e ho no me hu no e no no so hu me but yankasa nothing enti na me ne obi ne nam me free e ho no ji ne de eja me free circle obedru baby a nipa no wona o hwen me bai na oni nipa ne gina ho odi nkomo na che onim nipa na many namno ena ye kobianti one time be invited or ya sorry ma obeya sorry
okay
yeah inti ehwa na many no edi nkomo after the service ena many di nkomo na exchanging numbers inti Rebecca said the rest is history fiona
it's mo share na breben how many years na mo decide say mo be worry
oh ye share 2008
okay
and 2008 no make us say asafana biom na oba won me free ho yeah nti ye Lucy touch
okay
kakra yeah nti latter part of I think October 2008 na mo no and I miss sign any no Asia beam
in terms of much year 2008 and says which man early 2000.
Early, yeah.
Okay, so 2008 I was share mo beam.
Yeah.
And I just said more
So we started talking and everything.
Okay.
Meka say 2008 na latter part na maybe call mentor no.
Okay.
Yeah, and I started say oh you didn't come more yeah auntie maybe call mentor house and then I'm say oh minim ni pass mercy.
Okay. And so we come mentor house no na ne hyehyɛ ho.
Yeah.
Okay.
I mean say definitely minim ni pa bia minim say ono na me worry no.
Okay. That time no na wahye so ana no nyanhye so.
There be.
Nyanhye so.
Wahye so ko ede ade. Ah me so ka majisi.
So for mama ni. So for mama.
But then we're fine.
Okay.
Yeah, we're fine.
So mo worry e challenges. You pese hu date ankasa na say year ankasa mo worry.
They were in 2011.
2011.
So we're there like after Mentor on one ebeboa me ma me produce my first album no.
Oh, wow.
Aseda oba time ma me nyankwa on one ebeboa me ma me produce here.
Minya me das eno na ye.
Yes.
Second album.
And then my first album. And
so worship ne buy ye.
Nina was the same album no so.
So.
Yeah. It was a very powerful album, like 8-track album. And almost all the songs on it no na powerful.
Wow.
Erade amami ho amasemo asido na
no so mami a cappella so because they watch on go cry na onim say beautiful Mavis Asante say your friend Reverend Mrs. Supremo just any nyina keka ho pacho din no boy so be register pacho my cappella kakra na chest.
Yeah come so mango. Me hear say my sorry. Sarah de amaya ho amasemo asido Sarah de amaya ho amasemo asida nyom kwa na yebeto yede yasedu nyina yebenya me aye ayede yakoma nyina yadanasio enye na to makaya ntiase asido Sarah de amaya ho amasemo asedanyom kwa na yebeto
sanyo no wonche ndi say no na do ba lamlight because ma
okay and that was my first album.
Okay.
It's no was na erade na so ne batemu meja wone batemu enka sawa kechi erade na no so was be na mami nyankwa mami nyeye na masomo nti that songs ni nya na nyame adom Ghana for ehu Mavis, yeah.
It's not when Jane this our mentors now when we and our mentor won when we no and a with the pressure. Yes, I knew na so when we na Nyankopon nyame nkonkon no e ba be kasa kire wa na so be ma wo sa anwum na e pese hu e ho no no.
Who say mentor na ye kono a competition and it's either you win or lose and not necessarily being a winner.
Okay.
But what you do after the show, that is the most important thing. And see your phobia or movie but and show one so it wasn't about I didn't go to the show say me percent me winning. Yes, we near a year but platform na nyame aye wadom na wanya no aftermath no then I would debate and no na the most important thing say nyame aye wadom awama us our platform we are that is the most important thing see nyame adom so ye wie no anase ye victim ye no nipa hu adoma ewe yemunti ya nkoda keke we able to bring something out eboa we are seeing na my nyame adom obo Mavis at least obi who menti and necessarily to win and I say may we need to say by fire by force I must do something but the nyame pen oye and the platform now when you what you make good use of it no that is the most important
okay so how many years in me worry
about sure
actress be 10 years
yeah worry for June you know you worry 14 years
14 years
but sure
14 good years
2011 June 25th and I worry
wow and then it's me as to I say amama worry and ache because ye nyina ye won so and na ye hwesene a ye we chi a ye hwe ne ma o hwesene a sister Mavis hu fair just sene a neni ate na o prima mu sene a ye papa nso so anodin bo ye papa na boy idaniti side na che say eti ya na ye no me say na die na etimi amama ware no etimi agina to now
Make us say ready. Edi kan yenyam we nyam fi bibie mu a wa ho de no nyansa ntimenya because in the beginning no marriage it was instituted by God. The only institution nyame na share that edisi wonti we nyam fi aware ma enyi it make us say ready na ye ready free ho a ya no ye mienu no enti ase e wo ye ntem ebuo a e wo ye ntem eni dia e wo ye ntem na eboy the fact that I respect him as my husband. Any no credit. Medibuo emano semikunu and also reciprocate. Say me you in your say me buno. I was say me di eni say emano. And na we are open to each other.
Okay.
Yeah, ye dear who ye no cray. It's make us say in the man kitty way na abwai and me bre me wansi as oyire mano nti onu say ma onya do de mami because I na ready asem ka say oba bro ho as
prof nyame nshira wate
because me bre me wansi money it automatically
because ye na ma ye hu se no wa so watawe mu otime je wo bag na je otime peja wo nyina na ye say eh papa nya abotre na esa ye be ye tete jealous okay ukunu ono manage you
mpachwa
okay adintia and one went me am obia a manage you na ukunu na we decided to manage you.
Because from beginning in now on eboa me.
Okay.
From first album on eboa me so masinti. Nyame ayadom na watimi aye ba kwam na ye ya. E was so twaso nti no and me feel so no so ya eboa. Ye mienu ne ye kona ye ba no. Eboa ma unhu say oh me so obi kra ye bibia o say obi kun o me nche nti no.
It is a course but na say ukunu pikia eya enhaw.
Oh no, because me
pikin me no tell me ya ukunu na peke ko.
E ba na me feel.
Oh sir, but obo ho no mo a enisuo no de ase ye ofa na say bia but in deep in you no ye ni usu. Bebre na asu. E wo mu. Ade na me kunu, wa ye me kunu nti de yi. Ana bia so so ko deep na eya na enhaw. Unya sa feeling ni bi.
No, me they make us say picky. Because me no pin number.
Okay.
Me momo pin.
Wow.
Me say obi discuss what's in account. Ma me nya alert obi me phone so say ye di scar we have to create a balance. So yeah that transparency na
ma. It's not just me two na say bia me text papa what's up I miss you ni na call phone so.
Pacho and ma me phone so but me pin inti se ne phone da wa na me pese me wo de o betimi akofa ne phone but me ankasa no makache me say me pese me nyini che na me hwe me ma it me pe atete it me ne phone da wa ne phone da wa me mfa regardless of say me nim ne pin and everything on the phone da wa I don't pick his phone even though metimi afa but for my own peace and everything no me manage that respect no say me funny phone.
Me jam papa bebem sisi ya. Okay, onyu ni nyina no. Ho ene trauma wa na otro na se wokun na se woni ne bom tro.
Me pa otro mi tro bi. Wonyum bi o sa me eyine so ye jaisu. Nyame adome na me tro ye. Ma me nyankwa na ye odan mi kun na tro ye.
Oh papa nyame nhira what sa anwum ipa watimi atro ma me de papa. Ai ese mbebo abaso ofi papa.
Na me wo fa bi e friend na na boatin.
Okay.
Ono so e chiro aseda obato no so na chinti e whole team na ye ejuma.
Okay.
Yeah.
Enti ase wo.
Nyame antum.
Ti bi e koso. Nyame sha sweet daddy. Me pa cho wadaro me ni di mu ampa cho bre mu kakra ne ntwa ye hombra.
Kasa ro aka ni na wi.
Okay.
Sofo awade anya awade keto.
Okay.
You are very free osoro ama wa wintu. You can't just be an ordinary woman and you want to marry a man of God.
Okay.
A man of God.
Okay.
It's one of the most difficult tasks any woman will decide to go in for. Say, what is suffer? And so when you see a woman who is being able to marry a pastor after 10 years, she's done too well because woman one of the most difficult. When you about your understanding, okuta a heart to forgive. And a heart of acceptance because a human in the bound.
Sure.
In the panel doing combo. Or because you are saying you promote to your phone. Not because of power. But cancer match or say be a big one from it. That you share message your baby they are sending. Now we really need our trade. So it's going to create a lot of problems.
Okay.
Like she said, she can go to the phone and do whatever, but she will not do it. So what will make you go to the phone is because you don't trust him.
Okay.
You feel like your husband cannot be trusted or he's cheating. So the kind of job we do as men of God, to have a wife like her, it's not easy. So she's done well. It tells you how mature and how strong she is. Okay. I know she's endured a lot. She's gone through a lot, but she's still smiling because she's a strong woman.
Because
it takes
Papa,
maturity.
Me ka say me de Mrs. Mavis account.
Yeah.
I say and next week come move, but Mavis Mrs. Nkwa badi.
I told you.
And yeah, you told me.
Yes.
Nyamisha.
Amen.
It's a foot to be na Papa. Odebema awarefo anase awarefo ameka say di asofo. And I won't come a yammy juma.
Uku ye yambijuma, Namisro, Wuni Akuma, and a home farmer, Menko, da. Na pebang ni be doctor be now adolescent. Because the kind of job your husband is going to do involves a lot of people. In the pan one more benante, man and member. And any person you're buying, and yen in a mean nipa. The baby suban time. So much that Wuni Akuma, that was so baby in a muku and yepe. But send why ye no often I will be munas of mammy a woman. I will name Zabari, Bejina Humbe. Of course, dear my yen and Malcolm. And oh yes, or condom members, you choose them than me. You choose them than me. I am your wife. My problem. So if you really want to marry a pastor, have a big heart and be more mature. But then I make a chance. Obia will name me DY Donko very well. Very well. Then he said, Nenyon Baku, me friend Yagro. Wow. Although he said, doing a being Yamia.
Ede makumeni na pedana se.
Obia will name me name sorry member say I don't joke with that song.
Senya one anka yenti ase.
I'm telling you, asido. But me said I don't play with that song. Yes, so I want to encourage her and tell her that song is one of the most powerful songs she has ever sung. And Minya Kron sang the remix on so normally a good song for us. Me especially. I sing it almost all the time. Wow. My church lead.
Papa me so me de kan boy. Maminya. Papa sabi won kwani ahoden a. Me wade nyina. So won kwani ahoden a 80,000 years ade bia opese wachi bibia. Obeti papa. Me nyina ha na metwa me mdamase. Ebusuafo. Kunimdie no ho. Emma ya. Emma wa behu. Emma ren ho. Rafo ebeba hwe onyame na kwan doso bibie tumi siwa brabom hwe wode betumi abasisi a ade echi betumi aba emom nkwatenten ene ahoden na ene hia aw mi akasa mi sweet mommy ma ade nyina me sister ba kope in fact wose Nayas o ye adwuma pa na de wo furudua pa ene piano ye frɛ no Mensa and Mensa or Otontoma Rollins Park China House Chihuahua Cra says Nyamin Shroud Nyami won shroud because you delivery ko baby what's it there be do fruit your pa any piano and we see mebo modern amount to man or guest ba na dia chewo says yes me fam ma won doctor e mom no e ba ko doctor de ba ko and also de ba ko
wow
nti
me pacho any die mo a mom na auntie Ann mama papa in fact why ya dear
auntie Ann
and na afi makeup tese me ye na me see me pe makeup niema me de be support me adwuman na me ye den wa na me tisi krom tisi akra baby anyankopon abofo ne ma me koye na hwa na favor ne so to me so ewrade nyankopon ona so be de number beto dwa enche bia tiento aso says what's when you abrabom edien ene ma wani chipa e wa abrabom
ade ma manage se meda be sorry bia na wa hodin because obitimi koda obe sorry na wanya stroke obitimi koda obi abeda no ansori bi enti se me koda na nyame ye madom na me sorry na metimi to me nan to me nsa na me hu se me kuna sorry me ma sorry ye nyina e wa hodin one of the it's just I can't even describe it. It means a lot to me. Yeah, and no near dear pa, I'm managing. me won kwana me wa ahoden a said na wo kan every other thing no it's achievable nyame be ma osaka and once I have life once I have good health I'm okay
everything
yeah
says oh ma do do so
me wo matu
okay yet say na wo ma 3
yeah
okay na bakoi
bacha bakoi film yeah
shede e basa experience net say
is only obi awakom and obetimi aka show and there are some things that obi and obetimi are describe it
okay
this obi ebeka say describe it love
okay
and now the air you're breathing there are some things that you can feel
okay
what I say nti wona wokom no wo pe na wonim how enya ensunsanso and I said yet so and obia ne said the experience no a city yeah
ne basa net say
I wouldn't want to go into it but the mechanic say erade boaye e hye yende nti no said the erade be boaye me afem nyame adom oboa metimi de me fem yeah
Yankopon won sha prophet Asante
amen
because my musa no ye chi type for obibia everything na betimi aka kire
Nyamisha and he knows that he knows Nyamisha the pa and he knows I really do respect and honor him a lot. It's the be media the back up na Mr. Manisera the man in quantity any ahoden yeah
obeda benya ne yesi okunu afa wachi ade na be okay de na be pese
sa de bi o hwa won
unim say prophet Asante de won tesa for so many years ontumi nyesa but obeda benya ne eda all over social media say okunu sabi nyame fa sama wa fa wachi obo adwaman de na be as a wife I would not tena so many years
o say erade asem say ene krofo no ko yesu ko bisan say bibinti Mose ka say etimi jaware na wonso bibinti obitimi jai ni kuna na obitimi jai ni yesu ka shom say jaman pe nenso mpo no say esina wo if you feel you can forgive utimi de che na wafa wo ho kani ana se wukuna na oyire na asemesi no enti entowa unshede how you will take it just a word do sa bridge ho na won say asemi said ya to me me cross me gina ho me yede but entowa enya ade a obetime ho de meye what the make na say ha enya nto me ntire metena aka say meja aware me de me nko mefa me kunu sa one real my mistake because ento me enyansi
it opes what train say nyame fa sama ukuru ko fa wachi a obejai no ye pese ye yes or no
I can't give you that answer because I see na me de ama
enti na che say see a
see
e so ma ye hu say see a
me mo hu na odi ayede
me de ya de me de ya
na odi ayede
o la ka say okay say na me do me kunu ani say na me onna no I mean say na me see me say atena for so many years say me kunu ko bo adwaman kra me enya hwe me de be che no but won't me kan kire me say nsi ye ntu mfa nche no of course I say o ma ye hu me de me pesa me de ya de me de ya de e say bibi ya tumisi
metimi aka
okay
iti adekro ni nyasia bibi ari nyati o yeti koma maybe keka ansem bia me say ebubu akomusi iti entowa you don't say asema ento
okay
because when it happens to you how you react no you're different from say wuti echi na ento
okay ebusia your number no 05 we need that so no but modern na free ai me pacho 0551 669 325 me pacho friend na for adventure ebre me pacho yenko
yeah nti etowa 'cause I don't want to go into it but the mechanic say erade boaye e hye yende nti no said the erade be boaye me afem nyame adom oboa metimi de me fem yeah
nti
Enti can be say when we get to the bridge, we will cross. Say enyan towa. Minti na nka say oh me de say de me do me kunde o fa me chia.
Na wasem na esi ye ni usuru. O pese o be involve you.
No, not that. Obia ne na brabo. And I choose my battle. Enti this baby am ti de. Esi na me hu de me.
Esi na be hu. Everything for me patcho Mrs. Mavis Asante and the supreme lady. Was say ensi ye o tumi metena ha ndwa nanum but esi a obi hu de obeye so do okunu but esi a hwe na wa meka se obeja no ene nka Ghana for ye ne obi papa message obeda benya ne na ye gu ani ma ase e wo social media as a scandals ne twa ho ahia e ya na wo fa ne saying na because I think say yesterday you went for a program and call for be to do what and an tono enye natural enye real enye foam any ade but me die me am your buy die me hu tono me nim say enye natural because papa eto enye natural no hu but we no ego emre esheki wogina ho kra na no esheki access point bi situation no it is a basa na send na ya na ofa no because so many eye na ne to no na enye real eye foam eto da na ne to na dwom eto da na pompe kakra hu sa na ma na ya na sen ena
ade e wo se ni pebia wo bobra wo di show timi say wo bobra for one kasa wo for your own self. Any other thing around you, it is noise. And you don't have to give ears to noise. And unimohwa, dobia kebiani, it doesn't matter to you. Because obia oni mashasiye fiti menkra brain besine enim who I am. So I don't need say, that is why me will say obi, honestly, obiani say de o take it at the end, but me will say obia kan obia semna obi abeja social media person chim person prove your point and anypan who am because me I'll never do it. Because I owe you no explanation. So whatever me ndoka me chire mu chire wa enye yie wu maame e na wa bebu maten wu maame wu fa wo kwa meto wonje me nkwa e na ma be chire ma chire wo say ya na sese de me bo me bra a chire no a wono na daachi obebu maten ono na hia ene mebusua etwa me ho ahia any other thing there ene me kunu any other thing there me there me hwe saade
I am so glad I'm so proud to say you can wa umfi so what I say so obi be count so obi be me pa chon pesa me papa ebem kakra wadaro mama ba yeah hello hi
good evening
sweetheart pacho dini baby are free
pacho me ka say free Kumasi.
Okay, o say kumi ekwe. Me pacho yanko wadaroma.
Ai, maybe see me nia.
Okay.
Maybe see a natural minimum no from Asafo. Lenda na ka say.
Okay.
Maybe Linda na ka say.
Oh, okay. Linda here.
Na me have friend why me die.
That's him, no.
Natural.
Mobia and someone said,
Yamisha was so pa. Ya pesa kofodo do na nim se ukunu ebruka. Ya ka Mr. Santia obi eni. Ya pesa wo show camera nim na wo bo ukunu din. Ebruka. Ansa na ade Mr. Santi.
Ebuka nde no na ho tedi is not his name. Nidi
because obi nim say ebruka. Me prophet Asante no. And ye pesa wo chichi kakra. But budino. Ebruku.
Edina no ano aboy. Edina no ano aboy.
I think kakra wati. Ai, ebusi afọ.
Edina no ano aboy.
Ebruka. Mr. Asante, prophet Asante. The year Mrs. Reverend Mavis Asante and I see here with Pacho.
Hello.
Okay, yeah, hello. Any day my young quay. When to me and you Papa Pacho, where the Bremu Kakra and my say or share or better being an uncle for a can of some social media trying to so once a comment to be one more. Papa, it's me boo abem, it's me soon. It's
the comments of people should not condemn you.
Okay.
They are not the reason of your life.
Good.
Number 2, responding to gossip and criticism, it drains.
Okay.
So we are can watching our dream say become a reply. Just say your whole energy.
Okay.
Like me, I will not even respond.
Okay.
I will live my life as if you don't exist. Because in fact, wasting that time to address the issue is a whole problem for me.
Papa, me cry me nyebi emu da we yesu di ni mu.
Thank you.
God
because
bless you.
Where the hell so be aka want some. Na wa fa phone na fa na obe contact. Say.
What? Papa dear, I feel you wrong. Papa just so
waste of time.
Papa so me ba yeah, hello.
Yeah, hello.
Hello. Udini baby are free.
In fact, so the day Actress Nayas and got free for
Okay. Young kwai.
And you remember that one program I'm waiting.
Sure.
It's an open. Let's see, Madame, my menu. Like, my such a minimum, someone special for me, maybe. My
Amen. Sharon.
Amen. Amen. Eh papa, but your brother crab mama na me bisa Mrs. Mavis Asante one ne colleagues no ho asem. And then me tata na kra dem tata no papa hear me my calm.
So like I was saying, it drains a lot of energy from you.
Okay.
And then one thing you can do to be able to have your peace, your peace of mind. Stop listening.
Okay.
So before alone tea, you say you blog you just go like I don't care about it. And then you have the energy to respond. Not responding is enough to make the person look like a fool. It makes you wiser. Because okay respond anya okay sabi bra na mfom so aba okasem. So for me, why I sit now, no what come once a I walk around as if I have not heard it. Because you are not relevant. I have a better life to live. Lives are depending on me. The padodo of train aduane efremenzano. Now we won't no. So it's God who gives a good name, not any man. And once God gives you a name, nobody can tarnish that image.
God bless you.
Thank you.
Oh, sweet daddy. Okasa say ndoso, but nyansen bomu no. Papa, nyamisra o. Papa.
Amen.
Hey. Sweet says.
Yes, dear.
What are your colleagues no? Want them to say? Because I say, come home. I say, ye bibi, I won't shut down for a jim, shut down for shim. Meaning, I don't know. It's a prophet and soon a 2 4. Say, Pacho, no. As a trade.
And they're all naturally, no. Me a very cool, calm, collected person.
Yeah, I know.
Me pen for some.
Okay.
What's the word? Menye introvert and menye extrovert.
Okay.
Yeah, menye obia. Menye too loud. Me name sad in here. And you know, me call where I'm invited.
Okay.
Me call where ya friend me beje me.
Okay.
And yes, say baby na me call. Because me ni onyamu hear me.
Okay.
And two, my family hear me.
Okay.
Enti adie bia menim se meya emwa no I don't do it. Enti nyese me nka me ho nkom ho obia oye program ameni no edisa meni no jele akwanya wo hode a metimiko. But said me buy metie me ko bebia meye di na meti wo. Meye de meye wia na masori na meko. That's how I live my life. It's me nyese me ni obi wa asem, me ni obi a ne asem, but
that's how
I met it.
So be any how it. But what daruma obetimi asori na nka ya hwe o shape no kakra we de eni die ko.
And dey nya dey ameso. Shape le nya hwe magana fo.
Obetimi ayi bibi.
Enya hwe.
Mrs.
Be so pani yire wana remi.
Nanso just seconds.
No, I won't do it. It's sweet me.
Yes, ro.
Sweet me.
Eni ma na egu echi.
Just me nye. Bibie wa be ka me. Wo di go do kra beto wa me nye.
Na pese nkofo ebe hwe sofo pani ade na.
Omo de ye de.
Omo de ye de. Enya no na akwa social media ye nyina ye keka ho nsem.
Oh, I know dear, people always talk, people always have something to say, and especially in this era of BBL, everybody thinks everything is artificial.
Okay.
Na ya na me dream say nyame amon natural, unya artificial. Because ye o Ghana
hey man nka utimi vi otiwe oso won sore nka atimi vi neto no ekọ na chikakra because that's what no ohun akoguo eniema na papa fa che me what
ye o Ghana hey ye o Ghana hey obi e ni obetimi anya 500 cedis counterfeit.
Okay.
Do you know why?
Okay.
Ye ni the original.
Bankofo we break as
a bia nyame ye no na ankofo ahweso aye bi.
Okay.
Nti there was natural before e be artificial.
Oh, okay.
Nti the fact that say wo need to doesn't mean say me need to.
Okay.
And now you are shapeless doesn't mean say every woman is shapeless.
Upon say wo to nyina wawo ememu miensa nanso wafu no I say yakoye mo kan say is it like protection or say as yakwa twetwe fat no and na wokọ nye twetwe fat no
menye bi da
it e corset na ya wo bo ye pese ye wo say
the thing is I all know one that explanation.
Okay.
Yes, I take very good care of myself.
Oh, okay.
Ma na me jeans no sa na mete.
Oh, okay.
Me bobre no.
Okay.
Sa na nyame wo me na sa na me nate.
Okay.
Na ma wo me ensa de but me hwe me ho yie.
Etu beti
me hwe me didie yie.
Okay.
Yeah, me ti we me didie abro so aye twice a day. I normally eat once a day.
Okay.
I take very good care of myself.
It's one shade and heavy food no
me di but me what time me di no me hwe me ho yi ankasa nti wo hwe wo ho yi a enche se obia tesa ana uni to a enche se obia ni to nyame amot
be ma bi ama be ma ne susuma toso asense wa twe ama be ma na say wado be ma no wakome mu da apart from ukunu
na question we dey free na be
question wo bi na simi misa we nya me Erica eno simi misa
sure ma worry
okay that's a unko baby anko pay as a sponsor and as a programmer na say bibisa en fa unko baby as unhu be ma no ma be ma ne sunsun to so as a ni hu dia me kan so what ase
me kwa menye program biada
okay say dia wako bi office and as wako bi ho maybe a Prophet Asante ebruku anka ho maybe as a be ma no wura ho no wo ho say counselor say what ha no waware intino so waware batasem kana make ebia na me so me counselor sunsun betimi atom so ba enya adwuma asem ka message me pa chawo da ro unra be me bi office e ma be ma unka se be ma we dey sunsun atom so ase wadon e wakoma mu da
sunsun na ka se ntimi tom se to me so agede
oh okay
you see people when you admire said dey utimi woni aba o yonko ba ko say lady dey ne ho efe since you be ma say be ma ne ho efe but it doesn't mean anything
oh okay
yeah
it what can be a chere be me bi da so many times after so worry
no I don't remember I don't remember
when a PSA star unia montam to say
yeah tell me fine pa
so we come tell me fine
pa
obet me appreciate you I show camera him I appreciate you
she knows she's my still don't know me body
because you say wa boa pa ye ka so omo ka ho a omo boa wa ne wa bedru wa be sei na me te kra se ye se wo ka ho kra na sofo Prophet Asante ebruka na saka ho
Nende what's in wrong information. Wrong info.
Okay.
The all catch on no new concrete info.
Okay.
Yeah,
okay.
but
okay.
I grew up with PSA and we've come a long way. And the abra bona bono. Obi one day was so crew ama okra waboa. Enti enye se wo se oye bibi kese bi ma wan so say waboa, but we've come a long way.
Yeah. Shaupa. That's it on suffer. Or buy name on my side and you business for be outside yana.
I do so many things.
So many things. So many businesses.
Yeah.
It will be per more. Wait me the camera or number at just say where you so. And now all the profits.
We invite me number bet so you now.
So be a business, maybe another businesses, no. Maybe an out in Tarieba, would the near my baby, but that's a complete me to be. And I mean, I just say, Fred was be sure. It's a Fred. Patricia come running. For final west, let's share profits. And me man, and go for you in my na number be wow, the bet to jazz, if you be say, obey program manner.
Patricia. What would you men now share me and Nigeria ready show? Na nyame enyamo nyina mo nsenchene ma no ensimuye ade ba kwa meka che wanyimre ne say abrabo na awobo no it's for yourself and then amene papa esua nyame asem about Moses and Aaron omu nyina ne koyi your friend is Israel for but none of them Edru Bosha, obi no timi Drew Bosha asase. Joshua na won kan wa na ote baby. Or no team be your mind and Drew Bosha asase. So don't live your life for anybody. Dear who in any be our china. Yes, I nipa ne beboa. Nti fa wani to erade so. Na me erade nya wabasa. Any other voice apart from God's voice, it is noise. Don't listen to it. Don't try to fight your own battle. Debia jai menyame. And comport yourself. Be a lady. Yeah, and let's say, TikTok, please respect yourself.
It's open so
you're bigger than that. You're bigger than that. Oh yes, I know don't want but I have one thing I always say my parents did not pay all these school fees for me to end up like a social media commentator, be ranting all over. I can't do that. It's always respect yourself. Now when you pack one way, say oh you peculiar. You have something obia ni be ye dey Nayas beam. We have only one Nayas. You won't be able to say also. But you can say it's that alone. You should hold yourself in high esteem. They will say nyame ebo wi. Me pacho me handles e wo baby a Mavis Asante. Nyame adomenya TGMA. Wow. Telecel Ghana Music Awards, many nomination for my song Victory. Yes, gospel song, traditional gospel song of the year. It's me pacho me posti flyer na. Vote your opinion.
Yeah, vote na. And you vote the other.
Eradi show.
We shall patch for number be for papa number 2 in case we go for program.
Patch so hear me for any program, any events be able to me from 0244 386019 0244 386019. Let me show.
Na me won show say to himself was audio about dom by what. Na do me do me so me do too much. Na jojo
ka. Oh pressure do.
Papa patch wadaroma we final ways to our for any telephone number.
Yen do na yenti as yes wodopa at the body fache nam.
Okay.
If you want really genuinely love somebody, you just need to have the heart to forgive. Okay. Number 2, please be patient with love. You can tell me you love me, but you cannot exercise patience with me. And then I think that you are not ready for. And then number 3, just understand that regardless of how you love somebody, there are weaknesses to deal with. Or until love is not perfect until you are able to deal with the weakness of the person. So that's what I can say for today.
Telephone number, Papa.
DY Donko. Okay. On all the social media handles. Dr. DY Donko.
Telephone number.
Dr. DY Donko.
Papa send a telephone number. Call all the social media handles. Nina. DY Donko. Daddy, I mean, shows and it was a friend. Oh, bye. In fact, me do too much. Of my pacho and fano, bonne me pacho. Me pen papa.